We really need to clean this right now. It's really bad. Fit check. Like 9 out of 10 times this is what I look like. This is how I hang out with my boyfriend. So we are starting this vlog off on a Sunday. Sundays I usually just chill and do my blog. If you guys didn't know, I also am a beauty blogger. I have a new blog that goes up every week on Sundays. So Sundays I usually just chill and finish editing it and posting it. So here are some of my recent blogs. I always try to base my blogs on beauty or lifestyle trends that are happening in the moment. And also sometimes it's just about like what's going on in my life. I recently did one about my Vegas trip. You guys can check that out on 959jams.com. Okay, next, let's go into Instagram content. Oh my gosh, when I was filming this, I seriously had not done Instagram content for so long, but I wanted to review one of these ponytails I got. So this is the insert your name here. Is that how you say it? Insert name here? You guys know what I'm saying. I will link the ponytail that I'm using, and I just figured I would show you a little behind the scenes on how I'm styling my hair for my shoot. I was gonna say photo shoot, but it's literally just me in my bedroom taking selfies, which is Instagram content if you didn't know. So I decided to leave my bangs out, which match it, because if I put that all back in the ponytail, I just felt like my roots were too dark for it to go. So we're just kind of doing my bangs, teasing up a little bit and styling that out before I take some selfies. I put this new like a pink wall art up, so I really wanted the vibe for these photos to be pink. I got this sweater at Target, I think, literally on sale for like, I don't know, $5. I love a Target sale. And yeah, here are my photos. Okay, next for Instagram content, we are headed to Minnesota. I live in Wisconsin, but Minnesota is so close to me that sometimes I go up there to do content. And I met up with Nicole. She runs her own business doing custom denim art. So if you don't follow Nicole, Gemini Denim on Instagram, I will take her stuff down below. But yeah, here's our day in St. Paul shooting some content. And it wouldn't be a vlog for me without including work, because I feel like I work 24/7. If you guys don't know, I am a full-time hairstylist and I focus on color and extensions. And here are some of my before and afters. I love doing like huge transformations. That is my favorite. And I also do makeup in the salon, but I would say color and extensions are definitely the two things that I do the most of, and I love it. I'm seriously obsessed with my job, and I couldn't imagine doing anything else. So I am about to go get microneedled, and I'm bringing you guys with me. I've done this a few other times, but this time I'm gonna bring you guys along and show you the whole process. Let's go. So I have an entire vlog focused on this PRP day. You guys have to go watch it. It is insane. Next, we took a trip to Key West, Florida. You guys, it was so beautiful here. I vlogged the entire thing that you guys can check out in my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next vlog.